YouTube, and today I'm going to show you the basics of C++. Let's get started. First off, you may want to download devblood in the description I have below, and once you get that downloaded, you'll run devblood. And it takes a while. Sorry about this. I'm also drinking some tea. So if you see me pause randomly, I just take a drink, well, sip of my tea. Alright, let's create a source file. Let me type this program up first and I'll explain what it means in a bit. Oops. Well, technically it's not my first, but yeah. I typed in a program, and hopefully there's no errors. Let's compile it really quick. Choose a destination. Let's go to my library, documents. Let's create a new document. Let's just name it new folder. And I'll just put my utilities there. And there's no, oh, whoops. I keep forgetting. Very important. Alright. Now for where it shows first program C++ right here. Basically these are considered comments and do not have any effect on the behavior of the program. So basically you can put short explanations in the source itself, but it won't show on the display like this right here. What this is encountered by is this line right here. I'll get into that after I'm done explaining what I have to explain on the top here. Include iOS stream will include the iOS standard file, but the hash, the pound mark right there, well, hash, whatever you want to call it, are directives for the preprocessor. Now, using the namespace std is a standard C++ library declared within what is called a namespace. So, yeah. And enter main is where they start their execution, and you'll see this in most sources. And shout, hello world. This line is a statement, basically. A statement, simple compound expression that can actually produce some effect. So, yeah, basically what this does will display this. Now, the same on colons, my bad, is to end a statement. So if you don't put it right there, it won't end the statement. It will just keep running on and on and on. So, that's why, therefore, we end statements. These brackets are what is into the code, basically. Return 0 is they need to end the code. So, this causes the main function to end. So, if we don't put that there, let's compile. Done. And it will keep running on, but for instance, if you're making a program, this could probably be a cost of $100. So, now let's say if we run another one, except It might not be the similar way, but it will run the exact same thing. Say if you want integer main, let's see, where did the code at, then count, hello world, then send it, whoops, send it, ignore, I keep messing up, sorry about that, then return 0. Sorry about that. Alright. So now, let's just get rid of this. Now, if you've seen the previous code, it will mean the same thing as this. Well, basically do the same thing. So you can have it in one line instead of so many lines how I put it. But I'm regularly going to use more lines because it's a lot more easier for me to remember and see where it is. And for instance, let's say we want more than a count. So let's say count hello, look at this. So we end the statement. Now let's compile again. It's kind of merging, so that's why you do this. Just put a space. Or you could end a line, for example, like, and, oh whoops, it's supposed to be right here. And line. Or, I'm getting way too ahead of myself. I could do this without this being scrambled, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'll explain that later on. Sorry about that. Alright. I forgot to explain about C++, my bad. Usually C++ can be case sensitive, so return won't mean the same as return. They have two different meanings. Or you can even have it as this. These three will have three different meanings. So, I have to explain what case sensitive is, so I'm going to leave those lines so I can code into more. Okay. Let's see. What else do you need to know? Integers, adding values, basics. So int means integer, so let's add the integers a, b, and c. And statement. Then, int result, integer result at the end. So let's make a equal 40, b equal 10, then c equal 5. We're going to end the statements here. Okay, let's say we want a equals b, no, a plus, no, minus b. End statement. Then, what this will do, a minus b will subtract 40 from 10. I think I got that backwards. It's not going to be negative, but you know what I mean. Then, result, a equals, a divided by c. Then end the statement. Then, we want to capture the result for this way. So let's display, wait, we don't put the colons, just put the result, and it will give you the result. Then, send pick. Ignore. The reason why I'm putting stick to ignore is so it won't keep force closing the execution. Return 0. This problem will solve 40 should be the answer. Let's compile. And for some reason I have a problem. Why do I have a problem? Can the function image remain expected before A? Let's take this. Let's see. Okay. Run execution. And why is it 52? What did I do wrong? I did no addition whatsoever. Sorry about this, YouTube. It's my first video and I don't know why I made this error. I did A minus B, and A equals A divided by C. Why isn't it doing what I want it to do? But usually when I do this, A minus equals B, and A divided equals B. Let's see. So it's done. And it gives me 52. That's weird. I think I have a little problem. Let's try switching this. B equals A, then C equals A, and okay, yeah, I'm having a little problem and nervous breakdown. Well, not nervous breakdown. Well, I'll be right back. I need to figure out my problem. Well, I'm back. Sorry about that. My mistake was where the result equal was. I forgot to put the equal. Not that. And now, when we compile it, run execution, the answer is 6. Made a huge difference. Now, you can write integers as many ways, and that's how I put it like this. Basically means the same thing as A equals A minus B. It's just a lot easier for me this way because it's a lot shorter and it'll still run the same way. Now, let's see what else I can teach you. Strings. Maybe. Let's try running a string. Include string. And basically what strings are, oh whoops, I forgot to put this. Basically what strings are, can perform basic operations. So instead of doing count, you could do string. I don't know why, but I find it easier to do string. So how you would do a string is this. String, my string, equals this program solves then to reproduce your string you do count my string. And I'll be right back. I got a call. Okay, I'm back. Apparently I had a call from my mother. So, let's compile this. And counts my string is being a little bit. And I forgot in my statement. See, those can also be pain in the ass. Anyways, this problem solves 6. There you go. Easier way. So, now, let's get on to other more stuff. Let's see. You can also end the line. which is done by this. So, like, say I want count. Let's see. Hello. My name is Suki. And line count. And this line. Oh, whoops. Count. I am sorry if I am a bad teacher. Smiley face. And line. So now let's compile it. Yes. Alright. So now you have a entering spaces. So this problem solves, and I'm not going to fix that because I'm just doing a simple thing. I am sorry if I'm a bad teacher. Smiley face. Hello, my name is Suki. There you go. So, let's see, what else can I teach you? I might have to start part 2 because I don't want this to keep running on and on, if you know what I mean. Okay, addition and multiplication signs. Okay, basically, this means multiplication. This means division, addition, and subtraction. And this means voodoo. And the only thing you don't know how to notice is voodoo. Voodoo is an operation that gives you a reminder of the division of two values. For example, if you write A equals 11 voodoo 3 in the statement, the variable will contain the value 2 since 2 is the remainder from dividing 11 between 3. So basically, it will give you the remainder of what you divide. So, yeah. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna make a part 2 because this is running too long. I'm sorry. I just can't process so many things I could think of to teach right now. Sorry. Subscribe, like. I'm sorry, this is my first video. So, bye.